Welcome to everyone. Myself, Robotics from Nttf from the Department of Mechatronics, second year. Today, I am here to give some information about my topic. And my topic is all about the next generation internet, which was known by Web 3.0. But here, I'm not going to represent the name as Web 3.0. I'm going to represent the name as Internet 3 for your simple and easy understanding. Before that, we should understand about an internet. We are using internet in earlier stages for only searching for an information about something, what we want. But that was not fulfilled for us. For that only, we have updated to the newer technology, like what we are using for browsing now. Like some of the applications is that Internet Explorer, Chrome, Brave, like that applications. For example, I would like to show you the growth of internet with the one picture. See, I have searched in internet about internet in internet, and internet source about internet is this. And also, we should understand that in evolution of internet. In the earlier 90s, we have used this kind of applications, and we have changed to this kind of application because of our daily activities, our daily lifestyle. And all of these applications we are using now, in which was known as Web 2.0. These are the applications coming under the Web 2.0, what we are using now. But the Web 3.0 is totally different from this generation internet, because it includes the cryptocurrencies, blockchain technologies, and etc. And this image will give you the better understanding about the growth of an internet. Web 1.0, Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. In Web 1.0, we have only one after to log in the page. But in our generation, we have connected with some of our Google accounts. That is the interface difference. Let's go into what is an internet? It is an updated version of today's internet with a new interface, and it includes some unique technologies. The technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and tokens, cryptocurrencies, and it includes some daily lifestyle applications. These are some examples of the Web 3.0 applications. For example, instead of Chrome, we are going to use Brave. That is the one of the web browser to browse whatever we need. And instead of WhatsApp, we are going to use the apps like Status. And instead of YouTube, we are going to use the Odyssey, like the applications which are all coming under the next generation internet with the new interface. But our next generation going to adopt with this technology easily, because that technology includes some user-friendly features. And in that features, I am going to talk about one of the best features. What some of the people may know about that is that blockchain technology. Simply, nothing but blockchain technology is the transparent transaction of the cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrency is one of the technology widely used to transaction of the digital currencies in our next generation. And like a cryptocurrency, it's digital currency through the banking sector in future with this feature. Let's come into the blockchain technology. We should know how it works. Like for example, one of the manufacturing company is there. And that manufacturing company needs some raw materials to create some products, and their manufacturing company asks to the supplier to supply the raw materials. Here, one of the transaction has made. Here, we can able to make a scam with this transaction. We can able to make a scam with the accounting and auditing. But that's coming to the blockchain technology. I already told you, it is the transparent transaction technology. If you make any transaction with this technology, means it will store your transaction data will store in the blocks. Here we can't able to make any scams and any frauds with this technology. This is one of the most important feature of this Web 3.0 internet technology. And one of the most incredible feature is artificial intelligence. It is not like a chat GPT. It is connected with the virtual reality. See, virtual reality is connected with the artificial intelligence. And here we can able to we can able to use the artificial clouds with the help of the virtual reality and artificial museum and artificial entertainment with the help of the virtual reality. And every technology, it includes some uniqueness. With this technology, Internet 3.0 also have some uniqueness in banking sectors, which was going to use in future instead of paper currency, we are going to use cryptocurrencies, which was called as digital currencies. And cryptocurrency is a future government currency to make a transaction with the banking sectors. The cryptocurrency technology innovation going to works like a concept of demand and supply in investment funds. They are introduced this invention to grow with the stock market, and we can easily able to trade and invest with this invention. Here, cryptocurrency is as an investment option. And here, Elon Musk also holds one of the famous cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. He continuously posting about the Dogecoin to promote this. Let's come to my experience with this crypto investments. As I told, here one of the growth opportunities is that. Let's consider every information is a wealth. If we have any information means we can turn into that investments and making money like that. Even I have also invested with these cryptocurrencies in, and this technology also have some disadvantages to use because of this is the future generation internet. We are predicted these are going to make cons for us. First disadvantage is this is a complex technology. Like that, with the influence of blockchain technology, it was very complex to use because of the blocks are created by like our data. And another one is difficult to understand. Even I have also tried to understand, but it was very complex for me to understand. And it requires advanced devices. For that technology, this technology also requires some advanced devices to use and cost of an internet. When coming to the usage cost of internet highly increase. Let's come to the conclusion of my topic. Every technology it includes some vision and goal to change over and over. Here, one of the vision of the Web 3.0 is become catch all time of the vision of new better internet. At its core, Web 3.0 uses the blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to introduce new technologies with the transparent and easily accessible technologies. And mission of this internet is it describes in a next evaluation of World Wide Web with the new user interface. And goal of the internet is to change the interface with humans interacting with us. And this technology will going to make our future is better. So use it wisely. And finally,